This is the Polaris Quattro pressure cleaner. It marries together the best features of the robotic cleaning system as well as the suction cleaner that Zodiac have released over the past few years. The feature on this suction cleaner are these discs that push the debris into the center to be collected, giving it a wide cleaning path. And the feature on the robotic cleaner is a wide mouth to pick up debris, and the scrubber on the front that scrubs the tiles and the pool surface to help keep it free of biofilm and algae and scrub the waterline tiles. As well, the features of a pressure cleaner with the wide throat that has allowed it to dominate and pick up all kinds of debris and nuts without getting clogged, and do it so efficiently and quickly. This cleaner brings it all together with those various features: the scrubber at the front here, the discs similar to the suction cleaner, and the wide cleaning mouth from edge to edge, and the big throat to prevent it from getting clogged. Add to that great canister to capture that debris, easy to clean out. You can have just a coarse canister and addition an option of a fine canister to capture sand and finer silt that might get collected in your pool. Great cleaner. It's going to cover all shapes of pools and not get caught, which is one of the great features. It doesn't have a tail like the other Polarises that would often spray out of the water and flick around. It does have a directional jet for fine tuning. Great cleaner. And if for more information, visit our website, poolaide.com.au.